Today I wanted to introduce you to ClassLink. ClassLink is a single sign-on application that allows users to sign on to various applications or programs using one link. This program is very similar to Clever, and in fact most of the apps that students currently use on Clever can be accessed using ClassLink as well. To access ClassLink on a Chromebook, you'll simply need to open your Chrome browser because it is currently set to the home page. To access ClassLink on an iPad, you'll have to use the ClassLink app or an app called QuickCard. I'll talk more about that in a minute. For students that use a badge to log into Clever, they can also use a badge to log into ClassLink. On an iPad, they will open the QuickCard application and hover their badge over the camera to log in. You can also use a QuickCard to log into a Chromebook by clicking on the button that looks like someone holding a badge at the bottom of the page. For everyone else, they'll need to type in the same username and password that they currently use to log into a desktop computer. For students, this is first name, last name, without the @carlsbadschools.net at the end. And for teachers, this will be last name, first initial. The password will be the same as the one you used to log into your computer. When you log into ClassLink, you'll be greeted with several buttons that can be used to navigate to different applications that you have access to. For example, on the top left of my screen, there's an Accelerated Reader button. If I were to click that button, it would log me directly into Accelerated Reader, and I could begin using the program right away. Each teacher will have access to different items depending on what they teach and how they service their students. If you need any help logging into ClassLink or have any general questions about the program, please don't hesitate to contact a member of the EdTech team.